Welcome to the Game Audio Resource WiseCube 2019 Audio Implementation Guide Series. In this guide, we'll set up a basic hierarchy structure so that when the player character lands from a high height, an impact sound will be played. Sadly, this event is not unique to the player character. It is hard-coded and attached to all enemy entity types as well. However, we can add a few steps to allow it to only be heard on the player character. Also note, this event is only called by code when the player character has been in the air for a certain duration of time after a jump action is performed. In this step, we will set up a basic hierarchy structure. We will use the WiseSwitch material variables. However, the material types will not work perfectly. The last called footstep material by the game will be what material type will be triggered when the player character lands. For example, if you jump off a stone floor texture tile and land on a grass material textured tile, stone material will be called from the land hierarchy. In the Project Explorer ActorMixer hierarchy, navigate to the Body Wise work unit. Right-click, then select New Child, ActorMixer. Name it Body_Land. Select the ActorMixer. Then in the Properties editor, assign the output bus to SFX, then Body. Right-click the ActorMixer, then select New Child, Switch Container. Name it Body_Land_Human_Leather_Player. Select the Switch Container, then in the Properties editor, Switch then Group, assign the following path: Switch Groups, Default Work Unit, then Material. Right-click the Switch Container, then select New Child, Random Container. Copy and paste the random container so that you have 11 individual random containers. Name each random container individually: concrete, grass, gravel, metal, pebbles, sand, stone, tiles, undergrowth, water and wood. Drag in associated one-shot body land audio assets to each of the associated random containers. Place them under the path SFX, body, land, then leather. Select the Switch Container. Then in the Contents editor, assign the material type random containers to the assigned object material types. Select the default switch/state to concrete. Select the Body_Land_Human_Leather_Player switch container. Then navigate to the Properties editor Positionings tab. Tick Override Parent. Then under Listener Relative Routing 3D Spatialization, in the drop-down menu select Position plus Orientation. Then under Attenuation, assign the following path: MyCube, Vocal_Player_Jump_Land. Open the attenuation to confirm a very small attenuation scale has been set. In the Project Explorer Events tab, locate and select the event Land. In the Event Editor list, right-click, then select New Action, then Play. Navigate back to the ActorMixer hierarchy Body_Land_Human_Leather_Player switch container. Then drag it onto the event's new Play Action line. Save your Wise project updates, then generate the sound banks. In this step, we will test our Wise data updates. Boot up the Cube game, then connect Wise to the game. Change the Wise profile layout. Move the player character onto an elevated ledge. Order the player character to jump off the ledge. If the ledge is high enough, the land event will then be called when the player character lands on the ground. Add any balancing updates you wish to add. Save your Wise project updates, then generate the sound banks. Finally, run a Wise integrity report to validate your Wise data updates. Use this chapter's A, B or C guides to implement any related body-associated content.